Good morning, students. I looked at some assignments and other things and decided people are a bit confused about signed binary numbers. So I just made a quick video just to explain a little bit more. So, like I said, I think there's some confusion when converting signed binary to decimal and from decimal into signed binary. I'll try to clear this up. So we work with three different types of signed binary numbers: signed magnitude, first complement, and two's complement. And the methods for converting them are different, so pay close attention. Signed magnitude form. In this form, the most significant bit is the sign bit, and the other 7 bits, when working with 8 bits, are exactly like positive numbers. So here it's like a 25 and minus 25. Signed binary 25 is this number, so that's 25. And signed binary of minus 25 is the exact same magnitude bit with only the sign bit changed. So these two are quite easy to see what numbers they are and convert them between each other. Just look at the sign bit and then look at the magnitude bits. So like in the sign magnitude form, a negative number has the same magnitude bits as a corresponding positive number, but the sign bit is a 1 rather than the 0. So in the ones complement form, a negative number is the ones complement of the corresponding positive number. This means we use the positive binary number for the conversion and not the negative number. Very important. So let's do an example to explain this. Ones complement of minus 25 is converted like this. So we use the positive binary form of minus 25. So we use 25, and this is the binary for 25. We then take the ones complement of that, and this is the ones complement form for minus 25. So we take the positive binary, convert that into ones complement, or the ones and zeros, and this is minus 25 in ones complement. So this makes sense when we use ones and twos complement for subtraction. In the previous video or the previous little section, we subtracted, let's say 25 from 3. We don't take the ones complement as minus 3, we take the ones and twos complement of 3, and that makes it a negative number. So we take the positive binary, ones complement, and that's the negative number. So in the two's complement form, a negative number is the two's complement of the corresponding positive number. So like ones complement, you take the positive binary for the conversion. So here we have the binary of 25. We take the two's complement of this. That's the ones complement form, and then we add 1 to take it to two's complement. And this is the two's complement form of minus 25. So once again, positive binary 25, take the ones complement, add the 1, and this is the minus 25 in two's complement form. Now let's convert it all back again. So sign magnitude, so this is the sign magnitude, this is the sign bit, which we just basically ignore, and that just makes the answer, if it's a 1, it's a minus, if it's 0, it's positive. And then we just do the normal binary conversion to get minus 25. So this all adds up to 25, and the minus comes from the sign bit. Now in ones complement, now this is the ones complement version, summing the weights. So very importantly, in ones complement, the sign bit is negative. So we have 1 times negative 2 to the power of 7. And then we add them all up. And then this is the answer we get. So we have minus 120. This will always be minus. Always be minus. We add them all up. And here, because it's ones complement, if we're converting it back, we have to add 1. Very important. And then we have minus 25. So in two's complement form, this is the two's complement form of minus 25. So once again, the sign bit is negative minus 128, and then we add everything, and then the number is minus 25. So 2's complement, 1's complement, the sign bit is always negative, and when you add it, you get minus 25. So for 2's complement, you don't need to add the 1 because you already added the 1 in the conversion stage, remember? So that's minus 25. So pay close attention to what the question says. If the question says the binary number is in 2's complement, then convert it from 2's complement. If it's 1's complement, to convert it from 1's complement. And if it's sign magnitude, convert it from sign magnitude. It's very important to read the question and answer what the question asks. I hope this helped a little bit to clear up the confusion. If you have any further questions, please email me.